Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. At first, take my love and congratulations. I hope you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. We all know that we are confined to home and we can't go to school and we can't ensure our educational activities because of worldwide epidemic deadly coronavirus. For this, we as well as our administration have taken a step to ensure your education for the betterment for you so that you can remain connected with your education and complete your syllabus. Dear students, I have presented in front of you today on English class of class 6. Today I shall take a class on article from English second paper. I hope you will be highly benefited enjoying the class. Okay, dear students, now we will learn article, which is an important topic for English language. Without using the article properly, we can't express our English language correctly. For correct English, appropriate use of article is important or necessary for every language speakers who speak English. Okay, dear students, now we are learning article. Article is a subterm which is used for to fix or unfix the nouns or animals, things, and persons. Generally, we know three words are known as articles. The three words are a, an, the, or the. Articles are divided into two kinds. One is definite article. Definite article. The other is indefinite article. Definite article is only the which is used to fix any word, any noun word, person, animal, and things. Indefinite article. A or a and an, two words are known as indefinite article. They are used to unfix any noun or any person, animal, or things. So, in a word, you can say the three words are known as article. The three words are used to make definite or indefinite the noun words or person, things, and animals. Now we are going to the next point. Our next point is use of article. At first, we are learning indefinite article. Indefinite article. Indefinite articles are a, an, two words. The two words are used to unfix noun or animal, person and things. Dear students, now we are learning use of a from indefinite article. When and where a will be used. Now we will learn it. So listen to the word. I am showing you some rules of using a. Please notice article a is used before singular nouns. Means the nouns which expresses number one or single. Next, the article a is used before the words which begin with consonant letters. Next, I am giving example from first one. Before singular nouns, such as a pen, singular, only one pen. So, a is used before pen since the pen is in one number. Next, before the words which begin with consonant letters, such as coconut, the word begins with the letter C, and C is the consonant. So we have to use article A before the word because the word begins with consonant. Next, before some words like few, lot of, use, many, hundred, dozen, thousand, million, score, fair, etc. Now I am giving an example. Such as I have a lot of books. Listen to me. Lot of is a kind of phrase. So the article a is used before the phrase. Next, article a is used after some words like many, such, so, to, it is, such as a many, poets, come. Okay, many poets came. Before many, we have used the article a. Next, if the letter O pronounces Bengali meaning wa or Bengali pronunciation wa, and E and U pronounce U, Bengali pronunciation U, you have to use article a before that, such as a European. Here The word European begins with the letter E, and the E pronounces U. Bengali pronunciation, Bengali pronunciation, U. So we use A when E expresses pronunciation U. Another one. A 1 টাকা note. We have used the article A before 1 because the word 1 begins with O, and here O is pronounced 1. Bengali pronunciation 1 or 1. When O pronounces as 1, we have to use article A before 1 or that pronounced 1. Then next or last, then article A is used before Mr., Mrs., Miss, etc. Suppose, such as A. Mr. Rana has come here. Next, to compare anything, article A is used before both nouns if they are same. Suppose a paper is cheaper than a book. Here, compared two items are a paper and a book. We have compared two items. So, before two words, if they are same, we have to use article A before such kinds of noun to compare. Dear students, now we are going to learn the indefinite article an. Use of an. Article an is used before the words begin with vowel. Before the words begin with vowel, such as an umbrella. Here, the word umbrella begins with U, which is a vowel. So, when any word begins with vowel, we'll use an as article. Next, before the words begin with consonant H, if the words pronounce O. Again, article an is used before the words begin with consonant H if the words pronounce O, such as our. The word begins with H, begins with a consonant, but expresses vowel sound O. So we have to use, or you have to use An as an hour. Next, article an is used before the words begin with O or E or U if they don't pronounce wa, u, o, wa, e and u. Article n is used before the words begin with o, vowel o, e, and u. And if they don't pronounce Bengali pronunciation, wa or you have to use article n, such as orange. It doesn't pronounce wa, it pronounced o, orange. So you have to use article n. The word begins with o, vowel, and it doesn't express or pronounce wa. So I used n as article. E, egg. Here, egg. The word begins with e, vowel, and doesn't pronounce u. It pronounced e. So you have to use consonant n before just kinds of word. Then another u. Suppose umbrella. Here you pronounced a, didn't pronounce u. Here it pronounced a, didn't pronounce u. So you have to use n as vowel in this respect, in such kinds of word before the word. Okay, next, before the abbreviation. Abbreviation means some word or some letter which expresses elaborate, like BA, Bachelor of Arts. Such kinds of words are abbreviation. Before the abbreviation, article n can be used if the first letter of abbreviation begins with vowel sound, such as M.A. My father is an M.A. M.A. The letter M. A plus M equal to N. The first sound is vowel. A or A. So, since the letter M, the first letter of the abbreviation M, expresses beginning point, the vowel sound A. So, you have to use article N before such kinds of abbreviation. If the first letter of abbreviation expresses vowel sound beginning. Next, if the first letter of abbreviation begins with consonant, consonant sound, we'll use a as article, such as he is a DC. Their abbreviation is DC. Here first letter is D. If we break D, we will get D plus E. The beginning sound is D. The beginning sound is D, consonant. So, if the first letter of abbreviation expresses consonant sound, you have to use A as article. We have learned use of A and article. Then we learn use of the. Dear students, now we learn use of the definite article. Article the is used before the fixed nouns. Suppose I have fixed a word or a noun like Felix. If I fixed it, or if it is definite or fixed, we'll use article the. Next, before the special class and nation, suppose the English. English is the nation. Here English is the nation, not language. So you have to use article the before such kinds of nation, definite or fixed nation, special. If the name of language stands before the word language, like here is the word language. If before it a name stands, such as Bengali language, in such factor you have to use article the before such kinds of language or word. Before the name of community, suppose Hindu is the name of a community. If we see any name of community, we have to use the before such kinds of word, communal word. Before the name of ocean, sea, river, group of mountain, group of islands, sun, earth, sky, newspaper, etc. You have to use the article the before such kinds of word, like or such as the sun, the sky, the newspaper, the Himalayas, religious. Suppose the Holy Quran. In such factor, you have to use article the before such kinds of word. Then, before the meaningful country or place, suppose the USA, United States of America. Before the famous institutions and historical event or historical event. Someone such as The World War. The World War. Or institution. Famous institution. The Cambridge University. Next, before definite date, such as the 23rd April or July, it is fixed. While we fix any date, we have to use article the before the date. Before the name of special transport like train, ship, aeroplane, it is such as the Suvarna Express, the Suvarna Express. Such kinds of special transport. When we see such kinds of special transport, you have to use article the before such kinds of transport. Before the name of profession. Suppose a profession, lawyer, the lawyer. The butcher. Next, before superlative degree, when we see in any sentence or in a sentence objective, when we see the superlative form of adjectives, we must or you have to use article the before such kinds of superlative forms, like the best. Best is the superlative form of adjective. So you have to use definite article the before such kinds of adjective. Before some words like majority, minority or minor, police, army, public, etc. Such as the majority number of people of Bangladesh live in rural areas. Here, the article the is used before majority. You can use article the before the collective nouns. Okay, my dear students, I hope you will learn the chapter of article from my teaching full and meaningful. I hope you will able to use them properly, and I shall give you homework, and then you will try it to your home to complete. Dear students, here I have given some sentences for your exercise. I hope you will make answer to see the sentences sitting in your home, and in our next class we'll discuss omission of article, means that article is not necessary. And till this moment, I hope you will stay safe and stay healthy in your home, save your environment and save yourself. Thank you. No more today.